Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 2003 Mustang GT convertible. It's got 50,000 miles on it. Absolutely beautiful condition. We do have the original chrome wheels as well. The only upgrades are really cold air intake and 373 gears. But what makes this car pretty special, it has an early production Mach 1000 stereo system. It has dual subwoofers in the back, which is pretty cool. I've only seen that one other time. I'll show it to you. There it is, Mach 1000. Comes with 4 amps and 2 subs. Very neat. Runs and drives like a new car. It's finished in gray with a black interior. Automatic. Adult owned. Never raced. Just the right one. A lot of metallic in this gray too. Pick that up. Leather interior, automatic, Mach 1000, 6-disc, tilt wheel, cruise, power locks, windows, mirrors, and 50,818 miles. There it is, Mach 1000. Very rare. Power top. Tires are in great shape too. This car is ready to go. You even have the boot. Original rims are over here. Got like a chrome 5-spoke Cobra style. And these are included with the sale. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Michael from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. We do offer financing and worldwide shipping. So hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot and have a great day.